Spooky season is here, and what better way to celebrate than with these adorable and delicious hot dog mummies? Perfect for Halloween parties or a fun family dinner, these creative treats are sure to be a hit with both kids and adults alike. The best part? They're incredibly easy to make, using store-bought crescent dough that's forgiving and simple to work with. Don't worry about perfection. These are ancient mummies after all. To create these ghoulish goodies, you'll need just a few ingredients. 1 8-ounce tube of crescent dough, 8 bun-length hot dogs, a slice of white American cheese, and some ketchup or mustard for decorating. Let's get started by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Now, unroll the crescent dough onto a work surface. Pinch the seams together to create a rectangle, then cut it lengthwise into 8 long strips. Take 1 hot dog and 1 strip of dough and start winding the dough around the hot dog. Gently pull to stretch the dough as you go, crisscrossing it to create that mummy-wrapped look. Be sure to leave a small area at one end exposed. This is where we'll add the eyes later. Place your wrapped hot dog on the prepared baking sheet and repeat the process with the remaining ingredients. Once all your mummies are ready, pop them in the oven for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. While the hot dogs are baking, let's prepare the eyes. Use the narrow end of a wide piping tip to punch out 16 small rounds from the slice of American cheese. When the hot dogs are done, take them out of the oven. Now for the fun part, decorating. Use a toothpick to add a small dab of ketchup to one side of each cheese round. This will act as glue to stick the eyes onto the exposed part of the hot dog. Place 2 eyes on each mummy, then use the toothpick again to add a tiny dot of ketchup or mustard in the center of each eye for the pupils. And there you have it, hot dog mummies that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Serve them up at your next Halloween gathering or surprise your family with a spooky dinner. These tasty mummies are sure to rise from their tombs and disappear in no time.